Y bienvenidos to the Interactive Task Cards tutorials. In this video, we will be learning to sort. You may be sorting text or images, and you may be sorting into 2 or more categories. Again, just like your move objects, you are picking up by clicking and moving your answer to the desired location. Make sure you read the headers of each box so you know what kind of words need to go in each category. If you place something by mistake, you can pick it up and move it where it goes, or you can use the undo buttons to put it back to its starting place. To undo your previous action, you can click the undo button in the menu bar, or you can hit Command or Control Z on your keyboard.